Hello friends, if you like this video, please like, comment, share this video to your friends, subscribe our channel and tap the bell to receive notification about all new videos.
Standard 10 Language Study. Question 1 Language Study 20 marks. Part 2 of 5. Question 1a. Do as directed. 16 marks. First, complete the words by using correct letters. 2 marks. Answer: drill, blood, group, market. Second, copy the sentences correctly. 2 marks. Answer: first, I made some money yesterday. Said he. Second, she had passed the examination. Third, put the following words in an alphabetical order. 2 marks. Answer: first, captain, enemy, guns, soldier. Second, wash, window, wonder, wound. Four, punctuate the following sentences. 2 marks. Answer: first, oh, what a wonderful shot! Boys shouted. Second, New York is a big city in America, he said. Fifth, make 4 words, minimum of 3 letters each, using the letters in the given word. 2 marks. Organization. Answer: organ, nation, gain, ration. Sixth, spot the error in the following sentences and rewrite the correct sentences. 2 marks. First, students must know the importance of discipline. Second, people have celebrating the festival. Answer: first, students must know the importance of discipline. Second, people are celebrating the festival. Seventh, write the related words as shown in the example. 2 marks. True, story. Answer: true, story, friend, follower, guide, news. Eight, complete the word chains of verbs. Add 4 words, each beginning with the last letter of the previous word. 2 marks. Exhaust. Answer: take, earn, note, eat. Question 1b. Language study. Do as directed. 4 marks. Make a meaningful sentence of your own using the given phrase. 1 mark. To be surprised. Answer: I was surprised to see a cat chasing the big dog. Second, add a prefix or suffix to the following words to make new words and use any one of the root words in your own sentence. 2 marks. A. Success. B. Magic. Answer: successful, magical. Magical effects of his speech was spellbound. Third, add a clause to the following sentence to expand it meaningfully. 1 mark. This is the house. Answer: this is the house where I was born.